Massive thunderstorm and hailstorm that hit the state has caused widespread devastation in agriculture and horticulture sectors. SKTV News speaking exclusively to officials of Agriculture Department and Horticulture and Soil Culture Department, Plant Head Clinic in charge of Agriculture Department, Komantabam Nimaichand said, as per DC's order, district agriculture officers have begun inspection of affected areas in the district. According to report received so far, 37 hectares of paddy field and 1.8 hectares of maize farm have been affected in Imphal West district. Besides, 5 hectares of paddy field and 1 hectare of maize farm at Thiam Kunjil have been affected in Imphal East district. However, field survey reports are not yet received from Tamenglong, Bishnupur and Chandel districts. Moreover, for Kangpokpi and Chandel districts, no reports for damage in agriculture sector have been received till date.
Agriculture crop ke haba ase koi district level gi DC order gi matungina koi district esa officer jinga madi magi staff singna survey kana chathari ngasi daga hayeng gi losalani haba survey singi ada hoje foda konya primarily oina khangi basi Imphal West kina khwadi yam soe hauda hectare kuntha ka tare soe na koi report lere aduga chujaki saruk sinmana hectare amaga 0.8 hai ko chalon hectare ani mu pai tare sima soe na lere aduga thawal jima thawang athokam sai jima khra soe aduga makha haida bidi kya soktre chalon lo pari nipan gum soe na dio de khone report tire phange Imphal isu yam pani sokte Thiam Kunjinda khra soe sujak thaba lo pari amagum soe aduga phawdana chalon lo pari manga gum gi chang gi mona sokani na panari hijik moi field staff chakki na hai ko aduga sing yoina di Kangpokpi nil report pire mami disen order am thoya magi Hailstorm maram moikanda adugi report pire da kona dio de phang paw tingna Kangpokpi sokti aduga sanapati di hijik mona field staff hadu I kam sokugya do smai do na Chandel gi jok sik paw da kona nil report laidi agriculture crop yoina hajai ko.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Director K. Devadatta Sharma informed SKTV News that about 100% devastation caused by natural calamities in horticultural sector. A team led by Additional Director has started collecting field survey reports. Among the damages caused, vegetable farmers of Imphal West, Imphal East and Bishnupur districts are severely affected by the disaster. As for the department, nursery plants, mushroom farm and umorok farm at Phayeng have been destroyed by the hailstorm. The director continued that discussion will be held with the Chief Minister and ministers concerned about necessary steps to be taken.
This ki makada promote to dragon to farm punamak dragon fu pambi si ekta pungloi loi kai loi salamba sumba mayam se koi thengna jai greenhouse gi manung da nursery toba greenhouse gi manung da oxygen crop puthokpa greenhouse gi manung da floriculture torga lei puthok chaba chara semjaba punamak si pungloi loi sanba madudani ekoina 100% punamak si pungloi loi salamni haiba si masida gi ekoina khangma ngami haiba tai physically atopa marum da yenga kanda organic ki farmer umorok yam phajana Phayeng gi charu khara ngan ka thadana makoi mulching ga tawdana yam technology si yamna advanced technology si naraga hukak chawraba umorok pan ba horak taba mapan khara saba horaba umorok sinsi punamak si amatta hingdana amatta khatna toisalamba su farmer yang thai humpu mukhi punbagi phil si akoi report phangmangami hari report sinsi laba matungda masi akoina proper compilation tawraga mari lenamba authority government da masi akoina submit tawraga masi gi makha taba government gi akoi kari taw yabno haibdu soidana lakani habisi akoi thajabani